Hey guys, and welcome to our user's guide of the JBL Vibe Beam truly wireless earbuds, where we're going to explain to you how to get started with these earbuds as well as the most important functions. Now, the very first time we take the earbuds out of the charging case, we have to activate them. And you're going to notice this little yellow sticker here that's on the bottom of each of the earbuds. And we're going to peel these off. We're going to remove these stickers and then we're going to just fold them away. And then we're going to place both earbuds right back into the charging case, and this is going to activate them. But do remember to do this on both earbuds. Next, we're going to pair our earbuds to our smartphone, and in order to do that, we first remove both earbuds out of the charging case, and then we're going to check that here the blue LEDs are blinking here relatively quickly. So at this point, the earbuds are in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and then we're going to switch to our smartphone. Here in this case, this is an iPhone, but it works pretty similar in an Android phone as well. So we're going to go to the Bluetooth menu, and here we're making sure that we activate Bluetooth. And then within seconds, we should be able to see here the JBL Vibe Beam appear. We're going to select these in order to connect to them. And this process will also be completed within just a few seconds, just like you see here. Now our earbuds are already connected, and we can confirm this by taking a look at the top of the earbuds. And now we see that the LEDs are not blinking as rapidly anymore. Now, in case you do have trouble with pairing your earbuds with the smartphone, then I suggest you check out my videos, which are here specifically for iPhones as well as Android phones. So check out the videos here in the upper right corner. Okay, so now that our earbuds are successfully paired, we can take a look at the button functionalities of the earbuds. So they're not necessarily buttons, they're more like touch sensors on the sides. And each of the earbuds has different functionalities. So let us start out with the right earbud. So if we touch the area here where it says JBL, if we touch that once, then we're going to start our audio playback. Hope you can see this here on the phone, what happens there. So if we press the button once again, then it's going to stop playback. So now there's way more functionality than just starting and stopping playback. So if we double tap the area here on the right earbud, then it's going to switch to the next song. See, if we do this, double tap, then I hope you can see this. Now it's switched to the next audio track. If we double tap it again, it's going to go also to the next one. Okay, so now we can also go back to the beginning of the current track or to the previous track by triple tapping the area. So now 3 times it goes to the previous track, and if we do it again 3 times, you always go back, and double tapping still does the going forward. Okay, so then the next feature is if you have an incoming phone call, then you can accept this by double tapping the right side. And if you want to hang up, you can double tap it again. And if you want to reject the call, then you have the option to just press and hold the touch area for about 5 seconds, and this will reject the incoming phone call. Now, during a phone call, if you want to mute your microphone, then you can just simply tap the area for about 5 seconds. And if you want to unmute your microphone again, then you just tap the area for 5 seconds again. In case we are pressing and holding the area for more than 5 seconds while we are not in a phone call, then this is going to activate our voice assistant. So in this case of an iPhone, it's going to activate Siri, but if you have an Android phone or a Samsung phone, you can activate Bixby or Google Assist. Now let's have a look at the left earbud, where the functionalities are a little bit different. When we touch the side of the left earbud once, then we are going to increase the audio volume. And if we touch the area twice, then this is going to lower the volume. So let us try this out. So I'm going to touch it once. You see how the volume goes up. And if we touch it twice, then the volume is going to go back down. Now by default, all the other touch gestures are all the same as the right earbud. So you can accept decline phone calls as well as activate your voice assistant like Siri or Bixby or Google Assist or Alexa. Now, if you want to change the gestures, then you can do this by downloading the JBL Headphones app, which is available on the Google Play Store and the App Store for Apple. And once we start this application, it is going to find our JBL headphones or earbuds. And here we have the option to either check for the current battery level, but we can also make adjustments to the gestures on our earbuds themselves. So if you don't like the configuration as it is now, you can make several changes. But in this video, we're not going to go through all the features and options that the JBL app offers here with these earbuds, because that would just make the video unbelievably long. Now eventually we're going to have to charge the battery of our earbuds and also the battery of the charging case. So when this LED here in the front of the charging case starts to blink in orange, then the battery is about 50% full. But if it starts to blink in red, then it is almost empty. It's time to charge, and we're going to use here the supplied USB charging cable to do that. So we're going to plug here the USB-C cable in here, and then the opposite end here, that's a regular old-fashioned USB-A connector, and we're going to, for example, use here the charging cube of our smartphone. Here, this is an old iPhone charger. If you do have a fast charger with the same kind of port, then you can use that as well. And then we're just going to plug this in, and this will charge the charging case. So we're going to see right now, in this case, the charging case battery is pretty much full already, which is why it is blinking in green. And if the battery is about half full, it's going to blink in orange, and if the battery is still almost empty, it's going to blink in red. Now you know that the battery is fully charged when this LED stops blinking. So if the LED completely turns off, that means the battery is completely charged and we can disconnect the charging cable again. And if you're wondering, a complete charge of the charging case takes about 2 hours. So now at this point, let's say the battery is fully charged. Now we can disconnect the cable again. And we always want to be really careful when disconnecting this. We don't want to accidentally bend this. Otherwise, we may damage the charging port over time, and then we wouldn't be able to charge our battery anymore. Now, in order to charge the earbuds themselves, we're just placing them into the charging case. And a full charge of these earbuds is going to take about 1 hour. But after just 10 minutes of charge, you'll already be able to listen to your music for almost 2 hours again. And if you're wondering on how to turn off the earbuds, then all you have to do is just also place them into the charging case, and this was going to turn them off. Of course, this is going to also start recharging the batteries of the earbuds until they're full. But you don't have to worry. Once the batteries are full, the charging process is automatically going to turn off, and you don't have to worry about accidentally overcharging the batteries. Okay, so this was already it for this beginner's guide. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.